Introducing the M18 Switch Tank 15-litre backpack concrete sprayer and water supply from Milwaukee Tools. Part of the Switch Tank interchangeable sprayer and water supply system, this innovative solution delivers an interchangeable tank design with no manual pumping. The Switch Tank system features 3 different tanks: a sprayer, a concrete sprayer, and a water supply tank. The interchangeable tank design allows for the same M18 powered base to be used across multiple tanks and applications. The removable tank design isolates the pump, hose and wand, separating wearable components from the M18 Switch Tank powered base. Add on and replace tank assemblies to eliminate cross-chemical contamination and deliver lower cost of ownership. Battery-powered means no manual pumping, which saves time and delivers less user fatigue. Instant and constant pressure delivers increased productivity. The 5-mode adjustable pressure dial allows for ultimate control when spraying, cutting and coring. Get up to 12 tanks per charge with the M18 REDLITHIUM-ION 4-amp battery pack, delivering a full day of powered spraying and water delivery per charge. The M18 Switch Tank 15-litre backpack concrete sprayer and water supply tank from Milwaukee Tools. The only system with interchangeable tanks and no manual pumping.